Hi, this is Ruben, engineer and intern here at Saratech, and welcome to our tips and tricks tutorial series. Thank you for watching this video on exporting custom materials. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. If you have any suggestions or specific requests on tutorials for topics you'd like us to create, please leave them in the comments below. Additionally, if you have any questions about anything covered in this video, please be sure to ask your questions in the comments. If you'd like to see other tutorial videos like this, please check out our other videos here on our YouTube channel. We also offer our online customer enablement series held on the first and third Thursday of each month. This is a free 30-minute live video tutorial series where our software experts will share their tips, techniques, and knowledge that will help you sharpen your skills. To sign up for this series, please contact us at info@saratech.com. So let's get right into the content of this video. In previous videos, I've went ahead and demonstrated how to create these custom materials using a stress strain curve. In this video, I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate how to export it. This is an important skill because sometimes you and multiple people will be working on the same project. In that case, you don't want every single person to create that same material. You want to go ahead and have one person create the material and just have them export it to everyone else. So in this case, what we want to do is go ahead and go to Properties, click More, and then click on this Manage Library Materials. This is where we're at right now. We want to go ahead and go to our local materials. This is where all of these materials have been created. In this case, these are the ones that I have created myself. And what we want to do is go ahead and click on the one that you want to export and go ahead and click Export. From here, it will say single mat ML file. That's exactly what we want. And then we want to go ahead and click on Browse, and then that's where we will export it to. In this case, you will want to go ahead and click that folder that you want to put it in, and that's where it'll get exported. You just click OK, and it'll pop up right here, and then you'll click OK once again. So in our case, I'll go ahead and just put it in my downloads, and then go ahead and click OK after we have named it Project 1. And then you click OK. From here, you go ahead and click OK, and then it'll have been exported. Now, another thing that I want to say is that if you have multiple materials, the way that you're going to want to go ahead and do that is click on the material that you want. Go ahead and click on the other materials that you want as well. So in my case, I'll just go ahead and select all of these. So I'll go ahead and hold Shift, select this, and then I'll go ahead and export. In this case, you're going to want to go ahead and go through that same process. In this case, I'll go ahead and name this Project 2, and then you'll click OK. Once again, click OK again, and there you have it. So Project 1 will only have that single material that you selected, but Project 2 will go ahead and have all of the other materials that you selected. To go ahead and import those, we'll change it from local materials to library materials. We'll click the drop down on libraries. You want to uncheck default material library, and then you want to go ahead and click on user mat ML library. From there, you're going to want to go ahead and browse, and from here we have Project 1 and Project 2. We'll go ahead and click on Project 2 to see what it gives us, and sure enough, here are the materials that we created. That's going to do it for us today on exporting custom materials. Thanks for watching our tips and tricks tutorial series. This is Ruben, engineer and intern here at Saratech. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check out our other support videos here on our YouTube channel and tune into our customer enablement series held on the first and third Thursday of each month. Thank you, guys.
Thanks for checking out our channel. If you like what you saw, make sure to like and subscribe down below so you don't miss out on any new videos. Follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter for the latest engineering news and information. And to see all of our upcoming events, please visit our website at saratech.com/events.